Today I am reviewing again my Craftsman. I say again because I think I did this a couple of years ago and I'm coming back to it. It's been a few more years. I think now at this point it's 5 years running, maybe 6. I use this for every job you can imagine. I like it because it's nice and tall. I have a variety of tools in it already. It comes with deep sockets, shallow sockets, wrenches, and honestly what I also did myself, being that it wasn't overly crowded, I started putting in some extra bits. Like we all know, we could use an extra extension. Furthermore, you can always use a set of pliers on any job. And that's what I really liked about it also, is that it had plenty of space for me to put in, let's say, one of these pivoting extensions in case, that's something that comes up for me. So you know what kind of jobs you're getting into. And for me, I really love that. On the top, you also have a little nook. I don't know if it's the right way, but I keep my nuts and bolts there. And recently, I even encountered another thing. Besides this guy being able to survive 5-6 years, there was one tool that broke on it. And it broke my heart, no pun intended. This little wrench. And he just locked up. I was trying to be a wise guy and screwed him, tried to fix him. That didn't do anything. And I read that Craftsman will replace everything. So I didn't really believe it, but I wrote him. And lo and behold, they sent me a brand new little wrench. They didn't need any info. I mean, this was a gift, so I didn't really have any receipts. There was no figuring anything out. This model was already outdated, so they sent me the replacement. This one has a little bit of a thinner head. Anyway, very pleasantly surprised, and I really appreciate him for that. And now I know that my whole set is whole again, double whole. So either way, not only has it survived 5 years, 6 years, but also when anything breaks, I just reach out to them, and I know I'll have no problem in then replacing it, so that the set will always be complete. It's a couple of weeks for it to arrive, but still now it is fully complete. I haven't even taken it off. This is how excited I am. Oh, there we go. And I can get back to wrenching, fits back in the mold. So 6 review, officially I say still one of my favorite tool sets that I use. You can also have straps to put in. I don't do that. I just use the center handle. It has a lockable little compartment on the side, plenty of space. And you can see it's been through hell on a handbag. So if you need a tool, say you're ready to move up a little bit, good set of hand tools is second to none. I highly recommend the Craftsman one. Gives you a good variety of overall sockets, wrenches, everything you may need without having to break the bank. Stay handy, guys.